If you're trying to eat healthier or build a better diet, you've probably asked yourself, are walnuts high in protein? It's a great question, especially if you're looking for plant-based sources of protein. So let me tell you what I discovered when I looked into this tiny, brain-shaped nut. At first glance, walnuts might not seem like a protein powerhouse. You get about 4 to 5 grams of protein in a 1-ounce serving, which is roughly 7 whole walnuts. That's not as high as what you'd get from meat, eggs, or even some other nuts like peanuts or almonds. But here's the thing, walnuts offer something special that makes them worth including in your diet, even if they're not the top of the list for protein content. What makes walnuts shine isn't just the protein. It's the whole package. You get healthy omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all in one small handful. So while the protein might not be super high, you're getting a combination of nutrients that work together to support heart health, brain function, and even help you feel full longer. I used to think I had to eat chicken or protein shakes to get enough protein, but once I started adding a handful of walnuts to my breakfast or as a snack, I realized they actually helped curb my hunger in a really satisfying way. That's because protein isn't working alone here. The fats and fiber in walnuts make them a slow-burning fuel that keeps your energy steady. If you're someone who's active, or just trying to stay full between meals, walnuts can definitely play a helpful role. Are they your number one source of protein? Probably not. But they're a strong support act in the bigger picture of a healthy diet. So the next time you're planning a meal or choosing a snack, don't overlook walnuts just because they aren't the highest in protein. They're still an excellent, nutrient-rich option. Think of them as a smart addition, not just for the protein, but for everything else they bring to the table. A handful a day can make a big difference.